So ever so often, I like making update videos on some projects that, you know, we got a big community here. And we got a lot of people that tunes in for certain cars to see build. And I know I try to keep everybody updated because we do jump on this channel from project to project. Like we on the second gen Camaro heavy again. So the other day I made a video on the project Wannabe Trans Am about the hatch. Was it the hatch? No, it was making a mistake that this had a out of air control valve that would fit a LT1. It does not, the older ones. So the Wannabe Trans Am is still here. Let's do a, update. We installed the WS6 hatch. The high wing is off for repairs. Cool note, if you want to do this, silicone your hose up. It keeps water out. Smart. We got the honeycombs. We still got the V6 bumper. We need to change this. That's an ugly bumper. Definitely. Quarter panel here is pretty solid. Underneath this car is solid-ish. Inside, this door locked. Yep. We need to address this too. Inside, pretty okay interior. The front end is the beautiful front end. I don't know, which do you prefer? The last, kind of favors a Corvette here. The last one we did had the square front end, and we put this round front end in. The other one, the last one we built also had a small but Chevy. And I'm sure a lot of you is still subscribed to the channel that watched us build that Trans Am. That Trans Am is now in the junkyard in the sky. So we had to get another one to replace it. I mean, what do you think? Go on, we need a thumbnail anyway. Affordable? Yes, this was affordable. $300. I'm pretty sure $300 is what I gave for this. Has mixed match rims, but that ain't no problem. It does run. It knocks. Knocks very battery. Also missing a radiator. And it's a V6. But it's a manual. And I guess we do an LS in it because it's a Wannabe WS6. Interior is not bad, but this mixed match seat. Missing some interior stuff. It's T-top. So what I wanted, honestly, was a hard top. T-tops is fun, but I wanted to build a Wannabe Trans Am that was a hard top. I found the hard top one, and it just had so many issues. I mean, not issues that we couldn't address. It was title issues. And that car had a title, but it had been traded around on. And the car had like 8 years back taxes not paid on it. And the price of the back taxes was more than the car was worth. Like, I could have put a manual WS6 transmission in it for the price of the back taxes. It was pretty outrageous. And it just amazes me that people trade around for cars and they just never transfer them and they have a car at long. It was shocking. So we got a T-top one instead. Man, it's gonna rain today. Take a look. You can feel it in the air. I don't know. Are you from the city? Can you tell when it's gonna rain? I can tell just by the way it feels outside. Anyway, back to the subject. Being honest, I enjoy cars you can tag. Now, be it's a rebuilt title, Savage title, been rebuilt, a flood title, or, regular title. Now, a lot of people won't touch a car that has a flood title. A lot of people won't touch a car with a Savage title. A lot of people won't take a car that's junked out, have it rebuilt, and get a rebuilt title. Why? Because they have no value. No trade-in value, not so ever. Now, to car guys and girls, that don't matter to us. We can enjoy it. We drive it. We get these cars to enjoy. We don't care. We pay our taxes on them. The state's good enough to let us drive them. They work with you too. Everybody's scared to death. They will be as helpful as they can to help you get your projects on the road. Charger behind us. But at the end of the day, this is a pretty solid car. It's a pretty solid project. We need to ram our hood. I don't know, this hood is growing on me. Check out the body gaps. They even on both sides. Actually, me and Shane fit lining this hatch up. But we got it. You know, the best thing I can do when lining a hatch up is tell you to remove your latch that's inside the car, the one that's on the tail panel, and then close your hatch, open and close, and then adjust your hatch once the body lines is correct. We fit for a while with it, but we got it. I'm very happy with it. I'm very happy with this purchase. This actually came from a friend of mine, so if he's watching, I know he wants to see us build it on the channel. Thank you, I appreciate it. What would you like to see done to this car? You know, it's not on the channel. It ain't been built at this moment. It's getting occasionally worked on, but sooner than later it will be full on working on this, hopefully. So if you enjoyed, drop a like, leave a comment if you're a fan of these cars. Let me know in the comment section your story with your Firebird or Trans Am, how you got to this video. Check the eBay store out. Stuff we do not use on these cars, I do sell on eBay, so it might be something on you might be interested in. If you come from one of my videos, leave a note to Sarah. I appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. See you next time.